Horses out here, My Little Grace. Fast to begin. Inquiry. Down on the inside is Laon Laan. G-Jet's Treasure comes next. Classical Bid and Blushing Star. Inquiry by about 3 for Balenka. Laon Laan is running by Drell second. 2 lengths away in third. My Little Grace. Then followed by Classical Bid, G-Jet's Treasure and Blushing Star. They swing into the back. Inquiry by Oralenka. Laon Laan is on the outside second. And in third still is My Little Grace. G-Jet's Treasure in fourth. Then followed by Classical Bid and Blushing Star. Inquiry by Only Anek. Moving up on the outside now is Laon Laan. Laon Laan takes the lead now by about 3 for Balenka. Down on the inside is Inquiry. Moving up Classical Bid, My Little Grace. But it's still Laon Laan by Olenka. Moving up now to take second is My Little Grace. Inquiry in third, then followed by Classical Bid. Moving up G-Jet's Treasure and Blushing Star. As they come down at the last 150. Laon Laan by about 3 lengths now. My Little Grace still in second, and in third Inquiry. Last 100 meters. We have Laon Laan by about 5 lengths now over My Little Grace. And finally, Laon Laan. My Little Grace. Then comes Blushing Star. Inquiry.
Nasaan?